Hello everybody, welcome to Kanyeri Vlogs. Thank you for tuning in once again. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my lovely favorite salad with vegetables straight from my garden. Stay tuned. So I've just chopped my cabbage off camera, and now I've started peeling off my carrots. As you can see, I'm using a peeler to take the skin off from the carrots. So I'm just gonna finish off here, then I'll explain the next step. Next, I'm gonna grab my red fresh cabbage straight from my garden, and I'm gonna take off the outer leaves because I find them to be a little bit hard for salad. You might cook them, I think, but I'm not gonna be using them this time. Instead, I'm just gonna wrap them up and I'm gonna put them in my fridge because I can use them for a different kind of a dish. So for today, I'm just gonna be using the inner part of the cabbage, which is the hard bit, and I'm just gonna slice it into small pieces as I'm doing, and then I'm gonna finish off my salad. So just stay tuned to the end and see what happens. So after I finished chopping the cabbage, I'm gonna start grating my carrots. So I'm just grating my carrots using my grater, and then later I'm gonna mix everything together, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'll just mix it up quickly before I can wash it. So I've just washed it and I come back. As you can see, I'm now using my drainer. It's a salad drainer, so it does a very good job in removing any excess water from the salad. And as you can see, when it spins, all the water is being squirted out, and you can see the water that has come out is purple in color because of the color of the cabbage. They call it red cabbage, but the water is purple. Weird, huh? So after I've drained all the water out from the cabbage and from the carrots, I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm also gonna, first you make sure you put into a different kind of a salad bowl that you're gonna be using to maybe serve from. So after I've done that, I've added my salt, I've added my pepper, I've added my mustard, and now I'm just gonna add some yogurt just to make it, more healthier. And I like to use the Greek yogurt that is just about 10% fat. You can add some lemon if you wish, but in this case I didn't, even though I was intending to. So this is how my salad looks like. So yummy and so healthy. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you next time.